The Hulk of phone cases. Rugged, cute and indestructible. Ever dropped your phone and felt your soul leave your body? Fear not, meet the AI Case Heavy-Duty 3-in-1 iPhone 6s case, the armored superhero your phone deserves. This ain't just a case, it's a fortress wrapped in pink and purple swagger. Built tough with synthetic rubber, polycarbonate, and thermoplastic polyurethane, this beast absorbs shocks like a champ. Plus, the built-in screen protector ensures scratches and scrapes don't stand a chance. While others cry over shattered screens, you'll be living stress-free, knowing your iPhone is wrapped in bulletproof, not literally, but close, protection. It's sleek, stylish, and engineered for survival. Unlike flimsy, one-layer cases that barely survive a sneeze, this 3-in-1 hybrid provides 360-degree all-around defense, drops, dirt, rain, and life's unexpected chaos. Consider them handled. The hard plastic inner shell and soft rubber outer layer create the ultimate impact-absorbing duo. Oh, and that raised beveled edge? Your screen stays elevated and safe even when placed face down. It's basically a bodyguard for your phone, minus the sunglasses and earpiece. While cheap knockoffs crack under pressure, this case stands unshaken, undefeated, and still looking fabulous. It's built for those who demand style and durability in one package. Waterproof, okay, not for scuba diving, but splash-proof for real life, dust-proof, drop-proof, shock-proof, and scratch-resistant. This case is ready for war, whether it's in your bag, on the pavement, or in your toddler's hands. Need quick access to buttons, camera, and ports? Done. Hate the hassle of removing your case to charge? Don't worry, this baby is wireless charging friendly. And yes, the built-in screen protector plays nice with fingerprint ID, meaning you get flawless touch sensitivity without compromise. Every feature is designed to make your life easier, safer, and way less stressful. If protection had a luxury model, this would be it. Think about it, one bad phone drop and you're out $100 plus on screen repairs, ouch. Or worse, replacing your phone entirely. With the AI case, you'd get premium-level protection at a fraction of the cost of overpriced brands like OtterBox. Same rugged durability, but without the ridiculous price tag. Why throw money away when you can get high-quality protection that actually lasts? This case is an investment that pays for itself the first time it saves your iPhone from certain doom. No gimmicks, just rock-solid protection that keeps your phone looking brand new. Your iPhone deserves the VIP treatment. Why risk another heart-stopping phone drop? Whether you're a klutz, an adventurer, or just someone who values their hard-earned money, this case is a must-have. It's stylish, durable, and battle-tested by thousands of happy users who swear by its unbeatable protection. The AI Case 3-in-1 rugged case is built to take a beating and come out looking fresh. Click that Add to Cart button before your phone meets its untimely demise. Your iPhone will thank you, and you'll thank yourself when you see just how tough and dependable this case really is.